Hi, today I'm reviewing this replacement parts kit for my Roomba, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to actually replace these parts. What I like best about this kit is that it comes with multiple parts of each thing you need. These little sweepers here and the screwdriver to put it together. It comes with the air filters here, and then it also comes with replacement rollers. So when it's time to replace something on your machine, you just already have it and you don't need to order these things separately. So I'm going to open up the back where it collects all the debris, and you'll see here is the blue filter. So it snaps out very easily, and you can see it is dirty and time to change. So we just slide a new one in, make sure it clicks, and you're good to go. Once I push this back in, I'm going to replace my rollers. There is a rubber roller and a brush roller, and these are just as simple to replace. You'll pop this door open right here. You'll pull out the two old rollers and slide two new ones right back in the same place. These don't have to be replaced as frequently as the filter, and if your machine is anything like mine, it will let you know when it is time to replace all of these parts. Shut this door here, and then finally the sweeper piece, it comes with a screw and a screwdriver. You easily slide it on, tighten the screw, and you're all set. I love this kit because it comes with every piece you need, so when it's time to replace something, you already have it on hand and it's easy.